Alright, so what you do is just go to your desktop or anywhere that you want to go to make a folder. So just make a folder and name it whatever you want, doesn't matter. So now we got the folder made. What we have to do is just go to your browser and search this out. And when we do that, we just click the force link. So force link, and once we do that, we just go down until we get to Windows, since we're using Windows, and pick your whatever you have, like 64-bit, 32-bit. So just make sure you just get your correct one, and once you do that, just download. And once we do that, just put it into that folder that we made, and then go to it, extract it, and then once we do that, just go to the folder called Tor, and once we do that, just click on Tor exe, and once you do that, you're pretty much connected. So that's all it is. So now you just gotta set it up on your browser to connect to the proxy, basically. So go to your proxy settings. So once you go to your proxy settings, just go to manual and then put socks host and put this one, 127 host. And once we do that, just put the port 9050 and then put the socks to V5 and make sure it's using it and just click OK. And then once we do that, then now we can connect to Tor. And that's all you gotta do.